Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to Dutch braid for beginners. To begin, take a small, manageable section of hair from the top of your head near your hairline. Divide this initial section into 3 equal strands. Now, the key difference from a French braid is to cross the strands underneath. First, take the rightmost strand and cross it under the middle strand. Then, take the leftmost strand and cross it under the new middle strand. This forms the very first stitch of your braid. Now, let's incorporate more hair into your braid. Before making your next cross, gather a small, even section of hair from the right side of your head near your part. Add this new hair to your existing rightmost strand. Then, cross this combined, thicker right strand underneath the middle strand. You will repeat this exact process on the left side, adding a new section of hair to the leftmost strand before crossing it under the middle. Keep your sections consistent for a neat look. As you continue braiding, maintain the pattern of adding hair to the outer strands before crossing them underneath the middle. It is crucial to keep the sections of hair you add roughly the same size, perhaps about 1/2 to 1 inch wide, to ensure a smooth and even braid. Also, try to keep your tension consistent, not too tight, not too loose. Continue this process, working your way down the back of your head until you reach the nape of your neck, or as far as you wish to braid. Once you have incorporated all the hair from your head and reached the desired point, you will continue with a simple 3-strand braid. Just keep crossing the right strand under the middle, then the left strand under the middle, without adding any new hair. Braid all the way down to the very ends of your hair. Secure the end of your beautiful Dutch braid with a small hair tie. For a softer, fuller look, you can gently pull on the loops of the braid to loosen them slightly, creating more volume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.